Search on YouTube Basic Physics with Momin Rudro. Here you will find all the physics related videos. Please subscribe and share our videos. Hello friends, today we will talk about rocket motion. So this is XY axis. Rocket is going upwards along Y axis with mass small m and the gas with mass delta m at time t. Now at time t plus delta t, rocket eject its gases delta m with velocity u downwards. If at t time velocity is v, then at t plus delta t the velocity will be v plus delta v. Okay, now rocket is going upwards and it's decrease its mass gas delta m downwards, so rocket will get more velocity v plus delta v. Now from linear momentum conservation we can write down m plus delta m, this is m plus delta m v equal to m into v plus delta v plus delta m minus u, delta m. Now from this equation we can write m delta m v equal to m delta v minus delta m u. So from this we can also write delta m u plus v or v plus u equal to m delta v. Now we divide both sides by delta t. So first we have to clean this board. Okay, need some space. Now delta m delta by delta t into v plus u equal to m delta v by delta t. Okay, now at delta t tends to 0, okay, then delta m by delta t becomes dm dt. So it will become v plus u dm dt equal to m dv dt. Okay, so with respect to rocket, the velocity of the gas is, if we write with respect relative to rocket, which is Vr equal to minus v minus u, so from this v plus u equal to minus vn. Now here we write minus vr. Okay, now this is the thrust force, which is equal to ma, the thrust force on rocket. Okay, now the acceleration of the rocket will be what? Now the acceleration of the rocket will be a equal to minus vr by m into dm by dt. Okay, so this is acceleration of a rocket in presence. Okay, now we consider the presence of acceleration due to gravity, then we have to write a g is always downwards, so minus g. Okay, so a equal to minus vr by m dm dt minus g. So this is the acceleration of the rocket with respect to acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now from this we can write also that dv dt, a equal to dv dt, so dv equal to minus vr by m into dm minus dt. Okay, so clear this space. So now the limit at t equal to 0, v equal to v0, the velocity of the rocket is v0, and m equal to m0, means initial mass, then v0 to v limit, and this integration limit is m0 to m, and it's 0 to t. So from this we can write that v equal to v0 minus, this minus is a dm by dt integration means ln m, so it will be vr ln m0 minus inside, so m0 by m minus gt. So this is equation number 2. So from this we can get the velocity of rocket at time t. Now if we neglect the acceleration due to gravity, then this term will be 0. So only this term is the velocity of the rocket, v equal to v0. You can also join our group on Facebook.